it's track day time. There's Rob back there. We are out at the track day, the firm, to get a baseline lap time on my Civic on the Hoosiers. That's the main difference between this track day and the last track day. And then I'm going to be installing all the new parts coming soon to see what that does to my lap time. So I wanted to see how the K-Sports and what mods I have now do with these new Hoosier tires, because I think the grip's going to be a huge improvement. So yeah, let's get racing. Before lunch session is done, there's Rob right there. Car feels pretty good sometimes. The Hoosiers are definitely a new kind of animal. Trying to get heat in them to get the grip that they have is a little bit difficult because we don't have too much time on track before the new run group has to go out. We get about 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm just trying to get as much heat in them as I can, feel them out. I'm getting close to my last best lap time, so we'll see how it goes. Now after lunch, our session's coming up, so here we go. So I finished my third session and I got my new personal best. I'm hoping I got one more session. I'm hoping to maybe break it. We'll see how it goes. The car, I'm starting to feel it out. I lowered the dampening in the front springs and the front shocks, and it actually did help some of the understeer, but I think there's still a little bit of understeer in the car. I'm getting a little bit more accustomed to the Hoosiers. I don't think they're getting enough heat still, but I am running full sessions with about 10-ish laps. But getting more comfortable all the time, which is it makes it so much more fun when you get more comfortable with the track. So I got one more session, so let's do it. All right, guys, so that is it for the track day. Had a great day out here. Rob's car didn't do as well. He's having a cooling issue, but we didn't want to push it because obviously his car just got a new motor and we don't want to ruin it. So he'll work on that. And then next up for me is the new suspension. Race spec suspension for this car. I'm hoping that will really bring the Hoosiers alive, bring more heat in them, and give me more performance. So see you guys next time. Please subscribe to our channel, go buy some stickers, and I will see you on the next episode.